like heart block artery, yeah, it's very, very good. And also for a lot of illness. Also, like my mother-in-law suffer from weak heart, so not blocked but weak heart. Before cannot wake up from the bed, always lying down. But after consume this, can go to the mall, from the mall open until it's closed. Drive by herself. Now on 4th of October, so 12 years, 12 days ago, he migrated to America. Can you believe it? She migrate to America before she cannot even wake up from bed. Yeah, and my brother-in-law suffer from autoimmune psoriasis. Psoriasis, very thick blood and peeling, yeah, and yeah, very, very bad condition. But using this product already good. And for joint problem, this is also very, very good. Yeah. So people with joint problem, you can give this product. The things with this product is because this is natural, so no dosage. You don't have to worry about the dosage. This is not medication. We see the result very, very good, but it's not medication. So it's okay to take one or two or three. You don't have to ask. You just try, because everybody different. So the response also will be different from time to time. Yeah. So you cannot ask, doctor, how many boxes I take I will be healed. Because you just take it from person to person different. If you feel you need to increase the dosage, then just increase it. Just like we eat orange. One orange is good for you. Yeah. How about two oranges? Oh, very, very good. Okay. Three oranges. Oh, yeah, it's better. Five oranges. Yeah, yeah, I like oranges. I feel very, very nice. If one basket oranges, one big basket, oh, I will have diarrhea, doctor. Only like that. Yeah, like that. So this is very safe. Because one autistic patient that I told you just now, that 22 years old, before have no conscience, have not monitor the surroundings. But after now become better and better, better. He begin to observe the surrounding, and then he found the mother's product, because the mother's very, very happy to see the son's getting better, the autistic son. Now he can even leave the child at home and go to work, to spread this news and get lots of money. Yeah, the mother win the cruise already, now win tickets to China. So we have a lot of holidays also free from AFC, if with certain qualification. And the mothers have all, so now she can go. But one day when she went away from uh when she went out, yeah, the child open 12 boxes of products and swallow the products in one time. So can you imagine 12 boxes is 336 sachet. So we all, wow. The mother crying. I call her, but she's not mainly crying for the boy, but she cry because it's all her money there. Because 12 boxes expensive, yeah. So I told the mother, it's okay. I will just give my products for you free. You just concentrate on the boy. But the next day when I call, she said, he's okay. Not even the slightly change of the routine. So it's very, very safe. And that's proof it, yeah. If you take 12 boxes of medication, I think you will go and see Giam Loong or something like that. But so this is very, very safe, and okay. So all of you can just try the product, because if we don't try the product, then we won't know how powerful the product, what's the effect to our body. If you feel, oh, there is a little bit reaction, or there is still no reaction, you can increase the dosage. Oh, I feel like very, very sleepy, because usually when the product reaction stimulate our stem cells, then we become like babies. Babies usually sleep a lot because stem cells still growing. So we will sleep also easily. So this is good, yeah, for your husband, because she cannot sleep until morning. Maybe this will help also sleep, and it will relieve him and also will stimulate the good cells and make him well again. Yeah, so this is a very good case actually. And oh, sun psoriasis. Yeah, this is also autoimmune. I told you already, my brother-in-law psoriasis very very severe. Yeah, here peel the skin, but at first I don't notice it. I think it's dandruff, you know. So the dandruff like very very big here and there. So I have to remind him to wash his hair because I said businessman, because he is doing property business. Businessmen don't like it if they uh want to do deal with you and you want to shake his hand. If I'm the rich man, I will say, wow, what should I do? If I shake his hand, then I will get the fungus, you know. But if I don't take his hand, it's not polite. So maybe I will take your hand, shake it, but that's just the last time. I won't contact you again. I will just find another property agent. That's and he know it's psoriasis after going to skin specialist. The skin specialist can heal it, but using steroids. The problem is steroids tablets so much, even before it's healed completely, being reduced only already flare up the symptom. The symptom come again, you know, very very heavy. So using, because first time my brother-in-law, my mother-in-law don't want to take these products, but after they are consulting me, then I say if you don't want to take this product, just enjoy the steroid. And then he said okay. He tried this product and psoriasis just gone. Plus he has sinusitis. Sinusitis very heavy. Every morning he do this, tat 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 tat, like trumpet, you know. So we all in that house waking up very early because he wants to go to the office and doing that. But after taking these products, when I go again to Surabaya, because he lives in another city, when I go again to Surabaya, no sound of tat tat tat. So I asked, you know, and he said, "Oh, it's healed." Oh, so this can help you a lot with your health. Sometimes you feel also healthy, but tell me frankly, do you really know that you are 100% healthy? I don't think so, because patients who want to have stroke, who have heart attack before even don't notice, you know, feeling fairly healthy. So that's why this product will help you renew your body even before you know it. Yeah. So this uh who asked me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your husband can take this, yeah, the Subarasi and also the sun, yeah. The sun use the Subarasi first. If necessary, can use Utsukushi also. For psoriasis patient with skin and joint problem, okay. Use the Subarasi first. Some of the testimonial for autoimmune using the Utsukushi also. But me myself prefer to use Subarasi because I don't know, maybe there are a lot of factors playing in the autoimmune case. Some of them can use Utsukushi and Subarasi and the result very very good. But a lot of them use only Subarasi because increase the immunity in autoimmune patients sometimes make the symptom worse. But we see also with these products, we often have detox in the early time we take it. And detox can be everything. Like for me, when I take the products 5 years ago, I have constipation. And then after 10 days, my stools become very, very black like asphalt and very, very smelly, you know. And it's very, very funny, yeah. And then afterward, I throw away gas for 10 days. A lot. And afterward, the symptom all gone. So this we see a lot in patients. So if you have this detox symptom, two ways you can do. First, you can just receive it If it's not heavy, it's not severe, then you just take the product, yeah. And in a short while, usually the symptom will go away. Or second, if the symptom heavy, or you suspect it's allergic to product or something like that, you can reduce it, yeah, but still taking it to the reduce it to the dosage that the bad symptom disappear or very minimum. And then after a while, you can increase, and then you can take it full. The main problem before, because our product before named SOP 100, it has C vitamin a lot, so problem with the stomach problem people, yeah. So now products better because SOP 100 already convert to Subarasi, uh, more powerful but more mild. But still, we have to ask the customer whether they have the high acidity in the stomach or not. If they have, then maybe better to take the product, uh, if necessary, right after meal, if the symptoms severe, you know, right after meal. Or if necessary, half sachet right after meal, you know. If it's okay, nothing happened, then you can uh, right before meal. And then if it's okay, you can take the best time is 1 hour, 2 hours before meal because it will be absorbed perfectly. When I first take these products, I cannot take also because at that time I have the high acidity stomach, so gastritis. So I suffer a lot. I cannot eat fruits that is sour like apples, you know. But just now I just take apples without food. It's okay. I cannot take coffee before, cannot take tea, but now can take everything because I reduce the dosage until very small because 1/4 I still feel it, so I take it maybe 1/10, you know, just to put it a little bit, and then afterward no symptom. After 1 week, 5 days, I increase the double it, and until I take one sachet now, no problem. So my stomach healed completely. My stomach problem. Okay, I continue. If you have questions, just ask me. Yeah? Taken for how long have to have such effect? Like I explained just now, everyone different because everybody different. So you have to try. Uh, in your husband case, take the husband with lupus ischemia, arthritis, yeah, no warfarin. Take Subarasi first, not Utsukushi. But you have to monitor the blood thickness carefully because he consume warfarin. So we don't want uh, bleeding because too much blood thinning agents. But we can check, yeah, we can check using the lab the level of the blood thickness. So maybe should do it often in the beginning. Okay. Process taking products, any pain or maybe more serious for my husband and son. Usually feel nothing. Yeah. Usually people feel nothing, but sometimes if people have severe gastritis, maybe will feel disturbed. Yeah. Or some people report nothing happened to me. What happened? Yeah. I don't feel anything, but the result good. Some of them, hey, I cannot sleep. You know. So yeah, I said, okay, if you cannot sleep, then take the product in the morning. Some of them, hey, I sleep all day, you know, and I cannot even drive a car. So in all the case, the response will be different from person to person, even with the same illness. You have to understand. So if you have a symptom, you can classify the symptom to the severe or mild. If mild, maybe just ignore the symptom. But if it's severe, then you can reduce the dosage. Yeah. But keep on taking this product because it will change your life, your health. So that's from my experience. We can adjust the dosage. We can also do monitoring our body. Yeah. So we know what happened. But the most important is the how we feel. Because if we feel better, then it's okay. If we feel not better, then just continue for a while. Once I give cancer patients with the what you call it gland cancer here, yeah, saliva gland cancer before already brain cancer. So it's like spreading. And this patient given the products Utsukushi 3 times a day, and the first month it's getting bigger, but the second month it's reduced so much, the third month already disappear. And he did MRI, the cancer disappear. Yeah. So how about liver problem? Liver problem very good. Yeah. And take Utsukushi and Subarashi, very good for liver problem. We have testimonial in Indonesia. If you know Melayu, maybe you can hear it. Like I told you, we have several testimonial for the liver problem. So even the cirrhosis, yeah, cirrhosis hepatic can be healed still. So the problem that's to the doctors, like the end stage here now can get to normal, and very fast. It's very good. Lung cancer, yeah. So with this product, please don't stress on the testimonial. Moreover, in the same case, because we have to collect a lot of testimonials like that. Yeah, say that doctors, I have uh, this lump, red the redness in my butt, right butt. I'm a 60 years old lady. Then I have to find testimonial like that. Cannot. But you go to the pattern. This pattern is for all cancers. So whatever the cancer, lung cancer, uh, liver cancer, yeah, or gland cancer, whatever it is, it can be handled because the product stimulates the NK cell. That's how to think about this product. So don't try to find all the testimonial must be 100% exactly the same with the symptom, with the diagnosis of your illness, because the products do the general. That's why this product can be used for this cancer, this cancer, this cancer, of cancers. You have to concentrate that from the research, this product stimulate the natural killer cell, and that natural killer cell can help you fight cancer. That's all. Yeah. Stroke testimonial. Yeah, we have a lot of stroke testimonial up till now. Yeah. It can help the stroke patients because it can clean the blood vessel. So usually stroke patient because the blockage of the artery to the brain. So it can help clean the blood vessel, and also it can stimulate the growth of new cells because in stroke patients usually the blood vessel block, yeah, so no blood come here, so the brain dead, the brain cells dead. That's causing the symptom. But using this product, it can stimulate slowly the cells to be removed and changed with the other cells. That's why it has a good effect. And for the nerve, yeah, brain included, the effect very good. I have a friend that deaf because falling down when she's 5 years old. And at the time she met me, she is 45 years old. So the deafness start 40 years ago. She took the product not for the deafness, but because the husband took the product and the skin become very smooth. So she said, "Hey, I want that product. You don't take it alone." So she took the product also, and the deafness just gone. So 14 years deaf, and then just become good using this product. So we have a lot of testimonial. Company website. What is the company website? Japanese different from us. They don't do the company websites, the good sites, the don't do that stuff. We after when the second year, yeah, we protest to the Japanese. Why you don't use good websites and we can have all information from there. But yeah, Japanese like that. They are like introvert person. Yeah. So the company also. So websites usually all the members make by themselves. Like uh me also, we collect the testimonial, Now, to reach a lot of people, to do the MLM in Indonesia now, the latest is spreading it using social media. So use the TikTok, use the Instagram, and everything. You will become very, very rich because people just buying from everywhere without you knowing them. So you can catch up with them to bring them to MLM later. But this is the very, very good way now. Because the company don't do the websites, but you can search the AMS. It's the company, yeah. You can ask Kevin and Tang about this. Because they did the research. Kevin already did the research and find all the good things about the company. Uh, is Indonesia a regional office, and why few offices first started from Indonesia before going Singapore, etc. AFC Japan actually go to Singapore before. Uh, Sorry, go to Singapore earlier than go to Indonesia. So it goes to Singapore, Korea, China, a lot of countries, yeah, before Indonesia. But Indonesia is the first one that use MLM system. They all use conventional system, but here uh, in AFC Indonesia they use MLM system. So if you go to Singapore, you can still find the AFC product, but buy it conventionally. Like if you go to Watson, to Guardian, you just buy the products. And the product different. You cannot ask, hey, I want to buy Utsukushi and Subarashi there. Cannot, because the product different. So Indonesia use the MLM system, and then it is proven to be very, very successful. So now because the selling now number one in the world for AFC. So now the AFC Japan give the authority for AFC Indonesia to open elsewhere. So first we want to open, hopefully this January, yeah, Malaysia. That's why I go to Malaysia and begin to talk to Kevin and Tang, and soon with all of you, because I want to go there and make the movement first, because this is a very big money. Yeah. So before everyone go to Malaysia, I want to establish Malaysia already. So in January, hopefully all Malaysia become yours, because it's become mine also. That's what I try to do now. So work fast, because once January open, then all people from Indonesia will go to Malaysia. You will see your brother, your sister that you are not prospecting, then maybe they will ask you, hey, join me in this business. Your neighbor that now you ignore will come to you, hey, I have a good news for you about the AFC. So do it fast now, because I do it in purpose. Come early to your place, yeah. And now MLM company from Indonesia become go to Malaysia, next America and Australia. So we have still a very, very big market. This is not a MLM like usual, maybe what you know, because this is very, very big. And the backup is a company that's very, very experienced and very, very big also in Japan, and very good in products. All the other products of this company, very, very good. We have a lot of products. Before we have Lutein Sharp, if a lot of people with the astigmatism, eye, cylinders, take it, and then just the eye become okay again. A lot of blind patient combine using this product and this product can see again. So the testimonial a lot. That's why we are making our backup is this company. And the system, MLM system from Indonesia, so powerful also. The payout very, very big. It can change your life, like my life, completely changed. And yeah, this only Indonesia. Now Malaysia. Afterward, we can still go Australia, America, maybe Argentina, Thailand, and things like that. So a lot of possibility. That's why you have to be serious with this business, serious with this company, because this one will be different. If you ignore this, Maybe in several years you will say, oh yeah, I regret it so much, I should be very, very rich now. I should be very, very healthy now. But instead, I'm not doing this. Mark my word, yeah. Okay. Kindly get from your friend invited you. Oh, what's it? Okay. Doctor, for SLE patient, SLE is systemic lupus erythematosus, yeah. How to consume the products? It's the same, yeah. It's autoimmune also. Emotional or psychiatric issue. Uh, I have testimonial for emotional issue. So a husband has a wife that has like depression, angry all the time. He told me the story. Doctor, you cannot imagine my wife before. I go home from the office and I call her. Hey, honey, what do you want for dinner? Because now I'm going home. I will buy it for you. Very nice husband. And the wife asked, where are you? Oh, I'm now in this area, near the house. So the wife becomes scold him. Now you are near the house already and you call me. We often eat here. So what do you want? Do you want me to eat or not? Because it's not sincere of you. And okay. So the next day he offer his wife food still far away from home. And then she scold him again. Hey, it's very, very far. If you buy food there, then it will be cold after reach house, reach our home. So what do you want? Things like that. So quarreling all the time. And they don't have children, cannot. 11 years already trying insemination and things like that, still cannot have babies. So the husband, when give this product to the wife, suddenly the wife changed. Not not angry all the time, very, very calm, very, very nice. She feels like Mary an angel, she said. And then uh, they have children. So I think the psychiatric problem may be because of the hormone imbalance. It is the same with the person who has the breast cancer, breast tumor, cyst, yeah, or things like that. Usually it's because imbalance of hormones. Once you balance the hormone will be good and you will be healed. So that's emotional issue that I know, yeah, one of them. And psychiatric issue. This year, from 11 Busidos, we have two more. So Yosep and uh, siapa? Siapa? Herti Sitorus, yeah. And Herti Sitorus before is a crazy girl, crazy woman. So she is crazy. She was crazy, crazy literally. So not taking bath, very smelly, and cannot think clearly. Stay at home all the time. Uh, but the husband go to work every day. So he knew there is a lot of possibility that the husband will go away, leave her because she's crazy. So once the friend offer her this product, first she refused, but the friend, from the Batak tribe usually speak very, very frankly. So, hey, it's better for you to die, so your husband can marry again. Then you just live like this. You are crazy, crazy women. And then she just buy the product, take it. Suddenly, she become healed from this psychiatric issue. So she's like a normal woman, go out taking bath and everything. So the neighbors begin to wonder, yeah. Oh, what happened? What happened? And they are her first customers. And from there, she move, and then she used the Facebook. She did Facebook live every time, everywhere. So she got a lot of followers. Now is the second year for her already Busidos. That is the example, yeah, for psychiatric issue. So IFC is also available in pharmacy but under different product name. Yeah, same AFC name, but the product different. Yeah, only in Indonesia the MLM system. For the husband, warfarin, uh, autoimmune and sun psoriasis. First time consume, you suggest half packet first. No, no, no. Start with one sachet because one sachet is the standard package. If it's too much, then we can reduce. If it's not enough, then we can add more. Parkinson, any good result for children study, process learning memory? One of my leaders in Bali, Agus Okalaksana, he's my best friend. He used to have a father that suffer from Parkinson and go to Penang 52 times already, cannot heal, yeah. Still stiff and only like this all the time. And I forced my friend to give it to his father. It's not an easy process. Need 3 months, 2 months before Agus eventually give to his father. But afterward, his father show very significant improvement, and that makes Agus who hate network marketing become network marketing leader now. So that's the very good proof, yeah. Good for Parkinson. For patient with cancer of any kind, can just rely on Otsukushi. Yes, yes. But remember, cancer not the cause of the cancer a lot. Yeah, cancer also sometimes, especially for women, need Subarashi because we need to balance the hormone. If it's caused by unbalanced hormone, then need Subarashi also. These products will increase or lower reading the warfarin. Yeah, this product can also act the same action like warfarin, so it thinning the blood. That's why do the monitoring of the time of coagulation, things like that. It is better, yeah. Maybe every 3 days, do it to monitor it. Okay, no questions. Do you have who has the questions can just talk, yeah. Open your mic and you can ask me directly.
Yeah, doctor, I think we can end around 10 p.m. lah. Otherwise, it's too late. It's not you can relax. It's not. Another three
Yeah, I
question.
think
Yeah, another three question. Last three question.
Yes, I have a question for Dr. Yudi. My
yes,
name
please proceed.
is Thomas. Yeah, Dr. Yudi, from the chat, I can see that I'm not sure whether it's correct. What it was mentioned, because when I post some questions there, AFC also have got products retailing in pharmacy, right? But
Mm.
what the someone reply is only for products that so-called to treat cancer and whatsoever, those chronic diseases is only marketed through MLM system. Am I right so far?
Basically, they they make special product for us. So I don't know whether they have also for cancer, maybe, but different name, different ingredient.
Yeah, but also maybe I can understand because for them to retail products in the pharmacy, they can't be selling those products that is that to claim they can treat cancer whatsoever because that will have to come from the qualified doctors. So pharmacy will be more into the so-called mild treatment or something like that. I don't know. This is how I just gauge from there.
Yeah, you are right. Yeah. We cannot sell it even uh for anti-cancer, for healing diabetes. We cannot sell this product because this product all natural. Actually, we sell it only as food. So the
Mhm.
classification even lower than supplement. That's why it's easier to come and go from one country to the other country because this is only healthy food.
I
But
see.
but if the effect heal cancer and everything is up to us, it's our faith that we know this good product like that. So it's not medication. It's yeah, it cannot you cannot claim you cannot see cancer patient and say, hey, this is 100% will cure your cancer, because you cannot guarantee like that.
Yeah, I
But
mean, for pharmacies, they are selling in the public. They cannot so-called put in such claim that it can treat cancer and whatsoever the chronic diseases.
of course, of course, of course. But instead they have like joints, joints. They sell also placenta for fish. They sell also something for eye
Mm-hmm.
because yeah, for eye because one of my downlines combine three products, yeah. The Subarasi, the Lutin Siap, and one product again from Malaysia, buying in Singapore. I don't know what's the name of the product, but his mother can see again. So a lot of testimonial like that. If I go abroad also, I go to AFC stores, try one, two, three things because the AFC actually have produce more than 40,000 product. So even in Japan, I found another product. Yeah. When I go to the factory, AFC factory, they have like display room, and it is different. What they sell in China is like contain herbal things because Chinese love that.
Mm-hmm.
Then if I saw Korean section all about the whiteness of the skin, the
Yeah.
beauty, the whiteness of the skin because they like that.
All right.
In Indonesia, because they eat very very worse, yeah, like Malaysian, I think santan, meat, and everything. So cleaning the blood vessel is the main product, but it can also act like for beauty and everything because once you take this product, your body will change all. You can become young again, black spot disappear and things like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that means to say that because I went into their website, I can see there are a lot of products, but a lot of them in Chinese character. I don't know what are they. So does that mean that they manufacture all their products
Yeah.
all by themselves?
Yeah.
Not
uh
OEM, right?
all by themselves, yeah. Sometimes working together with another company, like I told you just now, the salmon ovary peptide produced with Nippon Barrier Company. Yeah, so sometimes they have to buy one or two ingredients from another company, but they mix it, they use it, they formulated it, become one complete product.
Okay, understand. Yeah, the raw materials.
Yeah, the raw materials.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay. If you don't mind me asking, you a medical doctor by profession
Yeah.
or
I'm
medical
a
doctor?
general I'm a general practitioner, but I open ozone therapy using the O3 gas, Before. Now I cannot practice actively because I always go around now.
Hmm? Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Doctor, okay, I want to ask you a question. Is this product can pregnant lady consume the product?
I think I already explained it. Yeah. It can even do good things for a pregnant lady.
Oh,
So the child that is she bear the child, but the child will be special because a lot of bad genes will be disappear from that child. That's the first thing. Second thing, the mother during breastfeeding, the milk will be very very high quality and a lot. I mean a lot, yeah. A lot of Indonesian posting they put in refrigerators, until it's full, because a lot of milk can give it to the orphan, to the neighbors who need it, things like that. And
correct.
they say the quality very, very good. This is the mother told me, yeah. They say first milk that comes out different from the rest of the milk because it's more thick and it seems that better quality. If you take SOP, then a lot of your milk very, very good quality, like that.
It actually helps.
Yeah, yeah,
It
it's
actually helps the
yeah helps. And
pregnancy.
for baby also. Last time, but for Utsukushi, I prefer not to give unless it is necessary. Yeah, for Subarashi also, if this is one month babies, it's okay if the mother take it because from the mother it will go to the child through the milk. Yeah, but if necessary, like the last case, my friend have a neighbor that have baby only 10 months 10 months old, but suddenly have cancer here. The doctor tell them to operate. So of course, 10 months, what do you expect with operating this? So they give up, they look for my downlines and say, okay, I will try the product. And my downline give the dosage 2 Utsukushi one day, 1 Subarashi. This is 1 day for 10 months baby. But he said in 3 days, the baby stopped crying. The tumor become softened. And 10 days disappear completely.
10 days.
10 days completely disappear. So
what about those special need children? They're born with this ADHD and dialysis.
Yeah, I told you already. It's very, very good, even for autism. Yeah,
Autism
very, very
also.
good. Yeah, autism also, and also for another. So this you just read the patents, read the research, because from that patents, the usage, you can just think the relations to the healing process. Yeah, like this is also very good for the patients that has I have a testimonial from a baby. During the baby, he is attacked with the high fever. So afterward, maybe because of the confusion, cannot breathe properly, lack of oxygen, the brain damage. So she become like autism. Go here and there, cannot learn anything. But using this product, only 3 weeks, getting normal again. After she suffer this from babies to the what you call it, kinder no, bigger. Yeah, so several years. Yeah, but using this product, bam, it's good. And also a lot of case, yeah, damage by the meningitis. Inflammation and infection of the sheath of the brain. Usually it's very severe. Patient just have fever and severe headache. 3 days suddenly coma. After waking up, 1 week after, just cannot walk, cannot the balance disappear, cannot hear. Things like that. But using this product, a lot of them can be normal again. That is very, very rare. Because in my practice ozone before, I helped one person after being attacked with meningitis. He suffered from the deafness and loss of balance. So after being treated with ozone, loss of balance back to normal, but the deafness stay there. It's a pity that I don't have their numbers. I don't remember, who's the name of the patient. So I cannot call him, cannot give this product. If only I can, maybe this will help. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Doctor,
thank you. Yeah.
You don't mind me asking. So for this, the products that is distributing to the MLM is only these 2 products, right?
3 products.
2. 2 or
3.
One is serum. Florence, maybe I'll talk to you after this because we almost time's up. We cannot drag the meeting until too long. So I call you and talk to you about the background of the company and everything else. Okay?
All right. So, Doctor, if I could ask you one more last question, which is in the chat box, okay? which is a patient with uterus endometriosis. How is it like? This is going to be our last question, yeah?
Yeah. Endometriosis. Yeah. Basically, all the disturbance in women, from my experience, originated from the balance of the hormones disturbance. Yeah. If the balance disturbed like this, we have to make it normal like this. If it's like this, we have to make it normal like this. Oh, what's this case? This one or this one? We don't know. So just try. Just try. If you use Utsukushi, it's getting better, then it's the right way. If it's not, then give the Subarashi. Stop the Utsukushi. Or if it's okay, give both of them, So we don't know which one, because the testimonial sometimes using Utsukushi and Subarashi, sometimes only Subarashi, So, but from the pattern, Utsukushi for the tumor, for the cancer, yeah. But it's not always like that. Sometimes the hormone balance related to the Subarashi. So, yeah, you just try. Try this,
Yes, yes.
Because this is not medication. So even if I, as a doctor, I cannot decide, because sometimes it's just need our adjustment. That's why, like I told you just now about a baby 10 months, years old. If I'm have to give advice, I dare not give that one sachet, and one sachet, because the sachet for babies 10 months, maybe according to me, maybe a little bit too much. Maybe I will start with half. But my downlines give 1, 1, 1, and the result very, very good. And then I told you already, my downlines take 12 boxes, 336 sachets, still okay. So it's safe, just try. Yeah.
All right. Okay, we thank you, doctor, so much for your kind, dedication to us. And you have been giving us not only, the direct answers of the products, but you have been given a lots of knowledge too, lots of medically, termed health knowledge. We thank you so much. So on the other hand, okay, dear participants, as you can see, doctor is so warm and helpful to us. Okay, do check out your calendar and block your date, okay, towards a meeting doctor at the end of the week over in KL Bangsa South VE Hotel. Okay, so there are a few sessions. Please check it out with the leaders and do grab your seats quick. Okay, most importantly, on that day, okay, not only that we grab hold of Dr. Yudi's kind explanation of health, where we can actually find lots of these testimonials over in the social media, right, Dr. Yudi?
Yeah.
So much is already there in the social media, and as Dr. Yudi have been saying, nothing is exactly the same. Okay, it can be similar, and together with the basic knowledge of health, okay, go for it. Either this product or the other product. Anyway, lots of testimonials are already in the social media. So, okay, gear yourself towards, career. Gear yourself, okay, gear yourself. Wow, Dr. Yudi is so good in both, coaching us of health and also career too. This is an opportunity of which Dr. Yudi mentioned only now and not January. Okay, so bring the mind of entrepreneur and run and have your seats all with you. Okay, get hold of this weekend. We see you then.
Yeah. Listen, can I ask doctor a last question? Ask for people who has concern about being a Japanese marine product. Is it safe from radiation?
Yeah, of course, because they test the product already. Salmon have a very, very significant life cycle. So salmon heads up in the mountain river, yeah. Heads there when it was babies, and then go down, getting bigger and bigger, and then eventually go to the sea. So from fresh water change into salt water. And they'll become bigger, because going to North Pole. So it mainly in North Pole. During the breeding season, somehow the gut creates this very unique fish. It will go back to its hometown. So it will go up the river against the stream, against the waterfall and everything. Maybe you see the films already until it reaches high in the mountain river, and then it will copulate. I mean, marry another salmon, and then being the eggs being fertilized, and they will die. So that's the cycle. That's why this fish actually not not long in Japanese ocean, yeah. And second, actually, it's only the issue that the China and everything used to put pressure on Japan because the tritium concentrate. Yeah, if you open all the news, then you will know that the Japan actually very safe already. So the tritium level from some WHO like this, the Japan standard even better, you know. So say that the WHO maybe 11,000 tritium is still okay. The Japan standard 8,000, and this tritium that they release only 60 or 30, you know. So far from uh, harmful reaction. Even if this water consumed all the time with the salmon, but the salmon go to North Poles, yeah, go back again. So, and one thing you have to sure about this issue because Japanese mainly eat food, seafood. Eat seafood. Japanese mainly eat seafood. So there is no way the government will try to give radiation to the to the nation. Yeah, that's the logic. Because Japanese now not much. They reduce in populations. Yeah, because the youngsters now don't want to making babies and things like that. I don't know why. A lot of porn film from there, but they are not making babies. So, but this is the reality. So if the government do something stupid like releasing the contaminated waters to the sea, then the Japanese will finish, you know, only in a short while. So they must have think of it very good. Yeah. And each of our product, they take a batch of it and keep it. When you visit the factory, you will know, you know. They test all about this product, the harmful chemical, the preservatives and everything. They will take samples and also the radiation, no radiation issue. Even before the Fukushima reaction in the news like that, you know. From the start, they did it already. And this cupboard actually very big, but I told them because you keep the beds for 5 to 8 years. Why? Because in the products 2 years already expired. They say, oh no, that's the only the date agreement between our factory to the government, your government.
Yes.
But actually the product stays good until 5 years, 8 years. That's why they keep the samples. So I asked them, how come this cupboard stores all the beds? And he pressed the button and the cupboard rolling, you know. So it's a 7 stories cupboard actually. So a lot of good things when you go to factory. I hope when Malaysia open officially, now we can chase the opportunity to go to China free. Yeah. But when Malaysia starts, I think Mr. Ernest will make challenge, go to Japan, visit the factory, always like that. Now, several of my downlines just now posting they are going to East Europe. Yeah, so some bets have the trip to Europe. Yeah, I have it in November. So because thousands of people win this trip every time to one area, so yeah, it's divided to several. Now I believe that Mr. Ernest will make a Japan trip for all of you. So you will see the process here in Japan and have fun there and have a lot of money to bring. Hopefully like that already.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
All right.
Okay, thank
We
you.
could never get enough of you, Dr. Yudi. Okay. So make sure, we get to see you at the end of this week. Okay. Book
Yeah.
your seats. Okay, and for today, we call it the end of today till we meet you again, Dr. Yudi, in this weekend.
Okay. See you
Okay.
all. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much,
Good
Dr.
night. Good
Yudi,
night.
for your kind dedication
Okay,
on
thank
us.
you, Dr. Yoli.
Thank
Thank you.
you,
Good
Mr.
night. Good night.
Tang.
Okay,
Good night,
okay,
everyone.
bye-bye.
Okay,
Bye.
good night, participants. See you around.
See you.